Top Echelon's candidate ranking features can be a game changer for your recruitment process, allowing you to quickly and easily identify top talent. In this video, I'll guide you through how to use these powerful tools to improve your hiring decisions and save you time in the process. You can try Top Echelon for free right now, and we've even got exclusive bonuses for you. Just check the first link in the description to get started with that offer. So, let's dive right in. First up, once you've set up your candidate database, you'll see the candidate ranking feature on the right side of the screen. It's all about organizing candidates based on your set criteria to make sure you're looking at the best fit. This is crucial if you're dealing with large volumes of applicants and want to prioritize the ones who are most aligned with the job requirements. Here's how it works. You can rank candidates on different criteria such as skill set, experience level, or even cultural fit. What's great about Top Echelon is that it allows you to customize your ranking criteria, so you can really fine-tune the ranking system to match your specific needs. As you rate candidates on these key factors, the system automatically calculates a ranking score for each candidate. This makes it easier to compare candidates side by side and quickly see who stands out. Next, you can apply filters to refine your ranking results. Maybe you're looking for candidates with specific certifications or a certain number of years of experience. Filters make this process a lot more targeted. You'll be able to see at a glance who meets your exact specifications, saving you hours of manual sorting through resumes. A big tip: take full advantage of the scoring system. This allows you to quickly understand how candidates compare in each category. If a candidate has a high score in the critical skills you're looking for, you can be more confident that they'll be a strong contender for the role. The ranking is dynamic, so as you update candidate profiles, their scores adjust in real time, helping you stay on top of your hiring pipeline. Top Echelon also integrates seamlessly with your ATS, meaning you can export ranked candidates directly into your hiring workflow. Whether you're moving them into interviews or sending them back for further qualification, the system keeps everything in one place for easy tracking. Now, one feature you don't want to miss is the ability to create a candidate pipeline. As you go through applicants, you can move them between different stages of your recruitment process, from initial screening all the way to final interviews. This ensures that everyone stays organized, and you can focus on top-tier candidates without getting bogged down in the details. At the end of the day, Top Echelon's candidate ranking feature helps you prioritize your candidates based on objective, customizable data instead of relying solely on gut feelings or first impressions. This leads to better hires and a more streamlined process. I mentioned earlier that you can get started with Top Echelon for free, and don't forget about our exclusive bonus offer. So check out that link below, grab your extended trial, and start utilizing these powerful tools today. Thanks for watching. Be sure to leave any questions you have in the comments below, and don't forget to check out our other guides for more tips on getting the most out of Top Echelon.